Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So I believe that we're still in a 1, 2, 3 right here. We do have a little bit of a double top happening at a Fibonacci extension level, so maybe, just maybe the wave 3 is over. There's definitely no proof that the wave 3 is over, but eventually it should go down for a 4 and back up for a wave 5 just to finish off this uptrend. So definitely overall very bullish, even though I do expect the wave 4 is coming at some point. Going down to the weekly time frame, we do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce, but we do not have a lower high. We do not have a break of structure. I do see a subdivision of the wave 3. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It definitely could be ending this wave 3, but until I at least get a break of structure to the downside, I would definitely still be looking for longs. There's nothing stopping this thing from continuing to make those higher highs and higher lows. So until we have proof, I'm definitely still on the bullish side. Going down to the daily, like I said, we do have a pullback. This could possibly go down and break structure, and if it does, then I'll definitely start looking for shorts. But until that happens, I would definitely be looking at this move down as possibly a crescent to this move up, and I would definitely still be on the long side until the market proves otherwise. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I'm not really convinced about that anymore because the wave 4 is way bigger than what I have as a wave 2. So most likely this is just an independent correction. It does look to me like an A, a B, and a C. Now the yen pairs have been a little bit on the slow side this week because of the Easter holiday coming up, but if this does make an engulfing move to the upside, then I will for sure be on the long side. Like I said, the trend is definitely up in the very high time frames, and we definitely should be focusing on trading with the trend until proven otherwise. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could be a wave C. Definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here, wave A. A little bit of a three-way pattern up, wave B. If this makes an engulfing move to the upside, then I would say that is the end of a correction, and I would definitely take it as a long opportunity. I would have to see a pretty engulfing move to the upside, or at least a higher low on this 1 hour time frame before I would take it as a long. But it does look like it is possibly setting itself up for an ABC correction. I just need to see proof that the correction is over because there's always a chance that it drifts down more. So keep an eye on it. If you get that higher low, a break of structure, or in a big engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long opportunity. So don't forget to join my free Discord community linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.